Hello student, welcome to Naushala. Student, in today's session we are starting chapter number 7 of your science part 2, that is introduction to microbiology. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Student, different type of milk product which we are using at home. These are different type of milk products there. Among these, most of the milk products are there, no? They are not newly invented. Actually, we are using these milk products from ancient days only. Then question comes that ancient people, why they thought to convert milk into milk product? See children, milk if you keep as it is, no, one day also it will not remain. Easily gets spoiled. In one day also it gets spoiled. Understand? So people thought that milk we cannot keep, no. Let's convert milk into some other milk product for its preservation purpose. Preservation purpose means understanding. So that milk can be used for many days. That is called preservation. For that we are converting milk into milk product. But sir, how to do this? For that most commonly we are using special type of bacteria are there. So these bacteria if you add in milk, milk will convert into something milk product. Not only this, sometimes we are using fungus also. Remember this, fungus is used in cheese. To make cheese, along with bacteria we are using fungus. Getting? Now children, one more thing you see here. Whenever we are converting milk into milk product, some changes will happen in milk. See, for example, from nearby shop we are bringing yogurt. Yogurt means curd, suppose. Now when you are eating curd, you see milk is totally liquid there, curd solid there. Means water content of that milk is decreased to make curd. Clear? Milk tasty and curd tasty. Curd is sour in taste there. Why sour in taste? Because acid is formed in that. So acid increases in the milk product. So two changes mainly occur when milk is converted into milk product. One, its water content will decrease. Water content decreases. Acid will increase. And because of these two changes, you see the texture of that cheese. You see cheese how so elastic type happening. So that is texture there of cheese. Curd also see somewhat soft you will feel while eating. So this texture, its taste, its flavor, everything can be improved by doing this process. Getting? So when milk product is formed, what will improve? Three things will improve. Its texture, its taste and flavor. Getting? So when milk product is converted into milk product, its water content decreases, acidity increases, and three things will improve. One, texture, taste and flavor. Clear? Now whenever any milk product you are making the children, we have to follow some basic steps are there. First step is pasteurization. Pasteurization means milk we have to heat at a 72 degrees Celsius and again we have to cool down. Means in simply you remember, you have to heat the milk, cool it, again heat, again cool, 2-3 times you have to repeat it. Why? After doing this process, after heating that, whatever unwanted microbes are there, unwanted bacteria are there, that all get killed. So unwanted microbes we are removing by pasteurization. Clear? Why it is called pasteurization? Because Louis Pasteur, scientist was there. So that Louis Pasteur, they gave this method. Therefore it is called pasteurization. Just heating the milk to kill the bacteria, you remember. Now once your milk is ready, without any unwanted bacteria, now we have to start the second process called as fermentation. Fermentation means your milk is converted into milk product by using special bacteria, lactobacillus. Okay, lactobacillus singular, lactobacilli plural there. Okay. Now how to do this fermentation process? Now the first step will be the lactose sugar will convert it into lactic acid. Lactose sugar we all are knowing, it is a milk sugar there. So milk sugar lactose is converted into lactic acid by using that bacteria just now we added, that is lactobacilli. So this lactobacilli bacteria convert the lactose sugar into lactic acid. Okay. Now whenever acid increases, then pH will decrease. Always remember, more the acid, less the pH. So as the lactic acid increases, pH of milk will decrease. Okay. So once the pH of milk decreases, the proteins, milk protein, casein we called it. So that milk protein will start to come together. So when milk proteins are coming together, for that we are using one word, coagulation. Getting? So coagulation of milk protein takes place, and because of that yogurt type any milk product will form. So you have to follow these steps only. Getting? First you did pasteurization, then started fermentation. In fermentation, lactose sugar is converted into lactic acid. Due to lactic acid, pH of the milk decreases, milk protein coagulates and milk product will form. Getting? Sometimes in this milk product, flavor giving chemicals also form. Flavor giving compounds are formed. For example, we are having diacetyl. Diacetyl is a chemical compound there which gives a typical flavor to butter. So whenever you are using butter, see, butter is having typical flavor. That flavor is because of chemical diacetyl. Getting? So these are some basic steps are there which are taken. To learn the steps of dairy product, I will give a mnemonics to you. See a simple mnemonic there. What to learn? Papa fir laye parcel. Papa fir laye parcel. Cold yummy fresh donut. Papa fir laye parcel. Cold yummy fresh donut. What it represent? P for pasteurization. First pasteurization to. Second we have to start. F for fermentation. In fermentation what is happening? L for lactose sugar is converted into lactic acid. P for pH of milk decreases. Once pH of milk decreases, C for coagulation of protein will take place, because of which Y for yummy, Me for yogurt. Yogurt formation will take place. Clear? Now last I informed you some flavor giving compounds also form. So F for flavor. So flavor giving compound, one example also I gave to you, D for diacetyl. Diacetyl is a flavor giving compound in butter. So just you learn this, your all basic steps of dairy product will complete. Papa fir laye parcel, cold yummy fresh donut. Is it clear? So this is all about your basic steps of any dairy product which is made by using milk. Check how much your understanding completed here. First question we are having. Since ancient day, milk is converted into various milk products, for which is the main reason? For decoration, for preservation, for transportation or color. So answer will be for preservation purpose. Okay. Next, most milk products are produced with the help of algae, virus, bacteria or protozoa. Your answer will be C, because most are made by using bacteria. Next question is, which milk product is produced with the help of fungus? Among this, butter, cream, cheese, yogurt, what is made by using fungus? Right, it is cheese is made by using fungus. Question there, which compound gives butter its flavor? Means butter's flavor is because of which chemical there? Whether it is ethanol, diacetyl, glucose or lactose. You are knowing answer. If you know this answer, please comment in the comment box. And if you like our videos, please subscribe the channel and share the link with your friends. Thank you.